Alright guys, so I made it back, by the way. I wasn't there last week and they got rained out. And you said y'all were making that up August 6th?
Yeah, August 6th, the video is on here. Me and Daddy got there and Rhett, and we went out and made 3 laps of hot lap qualifying, qualified 7th, and that was it. We was only running qualifying features, and we watched racing all night long. We didn't do much, and right there before we got ready to go out, the super late models out there running their feature, and it come a shower for what, 5 minutes, did it? 5 minutes or so?
Yep.
And it rained us out. So we're making that up August the 6th, and there wasn't enough footage to make it in its own video, so we added it into this one.
Alright, and to add to that, we are headed to Tri-County Night 2K to win for the, what is it called? Mod Mania Series?
Yeah, Modified Mania.
And, went over to Deep South, but we're headed that way. We are coming through Central Nail right now, and we'll be there in about an hour, 30 minutes, so we'll see y'all there.
What's up, everybody? We are here at Whynot Motorsports Park. They have super late models here tonight. Rhett's changing the gear. There's old Rhett. Rhett ain't been here in a little bit. They're putting that touch on it.
Ain't been here. Come back. Put me right to work.
Got to go back to work. Look at it. We forgot our little pan, so we're using a popsicle bucket or something. Lay it on the mat. That'd be all right.
Not sponsored by Bang, so I ain't sure.
Car's ready. We don't have Garrett here this weekend. He's I don't know what you call that. What do you call that? Honeydews? Daddy dues? Alright, so we're not heat racing. They're doing makeup features for all the other classes from last week when the power went out. We're going out to hot lap qualify. So as we're hot lapping, we're going to qualify. That's how we'll line up for features. So no heat races. Kind of just set your own luck here with good qualifying spot. But anyways, there's 7 of us here, good cars, so maybe we'll get us a good top 5, hope for a top 3, but we'll see. There's Big Meat. Hold that for me. We got a lot of downtime tonight. They're gonna make up features from last week, and we're gonna go out and hot lap qualifying. Then we gotta wait till all the super lates qualify. The street stocks, ain't that qualifying too? All right, then we got makeup features, and then all the features the rest of the night. We're at the very end. So it'll be a long night of us waiting around watching some races, but we're just gonna go out here now and hope we get a good time. Huh?
Not as hard as it can run, though.
Huh?
Not as hard as it goes.
Yeah, it's just so tacky. The only thing about these cars, they stay hooked up. That was all the little motor had. We're just gonna let it sit. We're gonna watch the track. We got a long time to go. So we're gonna go up here and hang out and watch some racing. Alright. We made some small changes. I had to loosen it up, but the track's gonna free up some. It's still kind of heavy for what this is usually. Whynot's usually pretty slick, but done some small changes to free up the car. Hopefully it works. We'll see. And put some fuel in it. What we got? We don't do as good of a job as Garrett does on this, do we?
Well, we're doing stuff.
We're ready. Like I said, this is the lineup. We're right here. That's makeup features from last week. So we got here, here, here. B mains here. And then all these features were last. So we're not gonna set tires yet because it's probably gonna be hot and cold, cool off and lose air pressure.
It may rain and it may snow.
But we're gonna go watch some racing. What do y'all say?
Sounds good.
We're ready, fuel's in, tires grinded. What we got is what we got. We're qualified 7th, track is hammered down, and that's all we got. We'll loosen the car up, see if we can make something happen.
You're taking the leader?
We're throwing the kitchen sink at it. They wrecking people?
Yeah, that's bad. So we made it to the racetrack here at Tri-County Speedway, and we're out looking at the track, looking over the track, making sure, seeing what we're gonna how it feel. But that just popped up, and we're hoping that it'll be all right, and just keep on going. Get out of here. We don't want you. You know what I'm saying? Got a little berm built up. Track looks real good, and we're looking forward to getting at it. Garrett?
Changing the gear, because we always decide last minute to change the gears.
Keeps you on your toes, keeps you thinking.
Oh yeah, we gotta stay ready, you know what I mean?
That's right. Well, the rain cleared up.
Hard work, we don't call it that around here.
Done got you getting a little hot?
Yeah, it's warm out here.
Need to cool down, driver. We still got a race tonight.
Here was a cucumber.
How you feeling about it?
Hot.
Think
We're gonna be pretty good to start off with. Can't ever tell.
Hot lap start? 6, no, 7.
6:30.
It's 6 o'clock now, so it's gotta be 7. 6:37.
Alright, so tonight we are going to start off by, we'll go out hot lap qualify same time to cut down on time on the show. There's 17 modifieds here, and we will be the very last one to go out in hot lap qualifying from say. So wherever we qualify at, that'll determine where we start at in our heat race, and there'll be 3 heat races tonight. So let's see what we can do. Alright, so we timed in 10th. I imagine we're gonna make a change or two here because looked a little tight. Had a little stumble in there going into 1 and 2, or coming out of 3 and 4. Something sounded like it kind of lost power. I don't know. We'll see what Cameron says, and I'll get in, go up and see what we can do.
Here, let me get this. You go over on the other side. Do whatever you want to do over there. Getting ready to roll out for our heat race. We will be rolling off 4th in heat 1, so we could gain 1 spot. We'll start at 8th, I think, and if we can, get up more, 4th, 1st, and whatnot. So let's see if we can gain a couple positions, get a better spot for the feature race, and we'll go from there. had to restart in the back. Got back up before. It looked better. But we're going to make a couple more little adjustments here and there. Fine tune it, see if we can get a little bit better to get us better for our feature race. That way we can go out there and gain some positions and see where we go from there. But I'm about to put the camera down, that way we can get it working.
Look at Garrett putting the fuel in.
He's putting the fuel in it, so you put the fuel to it.
Oh no, the lip!
No, I'm good.
God almighty. That's octane, baby.
Maybe it'll give us more good. It's gonna give us good look.
Put a little pep to it. Hey, tell him what you did a while ago. He cut his finger and he sprayed carburetor cleaner on it.
Alright guys, so it's feature time. We'll be rolling off 10, 30 laps, 2K to the winner. Get up here, get this video and see where we come out.
What I get, third or fourth?
Fourth.
Fourth.
But if we would have had to restart like we were supposed
We'd
to,
have
you
been
would
way
have finished
off,
third, second or third. Okay, I can now say that I'm glad we didn't go to Deep South.
Well, I won $500.
I thought it's 500.
I got some work to do.
That comes with it, though. I mean, we had a good run.
It ain't that car, really.
Just cosmetics. All right, so we made it to our little gas station that we stop at.
Yeah, no, it was a good night.
Finished, or the night finished better than it started.
Yeah, I finally made some changes. I think it helped a lot, but I think we should have been. I mean, we finished fourth. It was, I guess, close to where I feel like we would have been. That last restart really.
That was all.
Well, like they started them, even said on the race receiver that, guys, what are y'all doing starting 3 wide? And they continued to race it. I backed off because I was like, they're going to call it back. They never did, so I dug myself in the hole. But that one wreck, the 7 car spun out in front of me, and I checked up, and they told me that I had to let the 6 car in front of me because I was involved in the wreck. And he was in the back already. I don't know.
Did they say anything about a no-fault rule in the driver's seat?
I didn't stop on the track. I bumped him when he was spinning out. I didn't get in a wreck. I didn't wreck him.
Right.
And I didn't stop on the track. So I don't know why I should let somebody else in front of me. But
That spun out and was going exactly like the wrong direction the lap before.
and they come on the race receiver and said the 6 get in front of the 54. That makes no sense. But they was going 3 wide on the starts. I don't know.
Like,
But we come out in fourth. We come out with the top 5. The car come around there at the end. Felt good. I felt like we'd have had a proper restart the last time. I felt like maybe we could have been a third. Maybe got to second.
but Joe was checked out.
Joe was hooked up.
We wasn't
so.
catching Joe, and he told us exactly what he was going to do.
Yeah.
He said he's going to go win it on the bottom.
That's what he said.
That's what he done.
But like I said, we made it to our little gas station we always stop at before we head to the house to get us something to drink, a little snack to eat on the way home. That'll get us home, but we are headed back to Leaguesville. And we will catch y'all next time. Y'all like, subscribe, comment. Check us out on Facebook.